Hello children. Now we are going to start with a new lesson of social studies. So take out your social studies books. Take out page number 104. 104. On that page we are going to start with this lesson, our environment. Before we start reading this lesson, let's do this brown box. Number 1 is name 3 natural things that you can see around you. Natural things, children, are those things which are created by God. So, which are those natural things which you can see around you? Plants, animals, birds. Plants, animals, birds. The second question is, name 3 man-made things that you can see around you. Now you have to write 3 man-made things, the things which are made by man. So, here space is not there, so I have put an arrow over here. You can also write in the same way. The answer is car, computer, mobile. Car, computer, mobile. Now the third question is, name one thing that pollutes water in rivers. You can write garbage, G-A-R-B-A-G-E. The next question is, name one thing that pollutes the air. The answer is smoke. Like smoke which comes out of the factories or industries that is released in the air. So that pollutes the air. So S-M-O-K-E, smoke is the answer. Now let's start with reading with this lesson. Our environment. Everything that surrounds us is our environment. Children, whatever you see around you, whether those are natural things or man-made things, all those things comprise our environment, or you can say they are a part of our environment, whether they are natural things or man-made things. In the previous lesson, we have learnt that the earth is the only planet that supports life. Children, in the last lesson, we have learnt that earth is the only planet on which life is possible. Like on all the other planets of the solar system, life is not possible. It is the only planet Earth on which life is possible. Like we can see plants, animals, human beings, all these we can see on the planet Earth only. Therefore, animals, plants and human beings are found only on Earth. The surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates is known as the natural environment. Children, which is a natural environment? Like whatever you see around you, which are those things which are created by God, like plants, animals, birds, so many other things are there which are created by God. Sun, moon, sky, stars, all these things are created by God. So, whatever we see around us, they are a part of our natural environment. Our environment also consists of some man-made things like buildings, bridges, roads, buildings, etc. Now, except this, in the beginning I told you that our environment consists of natural things as well as man-made things. Now here we are talking about man-made things. Which are the man-made things? Like roads, bridges, buildings. All these are man-made things. So they are also a part of our environment. Because they are surrounding us. All these things are in our surroundings. So these also are a part of our environment. This comprises the human-made environment. And this is called human-made environment because all these things like roads, buildings, bridges, these are made by man. Why should we save our environment? Children, we are living on this planet Earth. So isn't it our responsibility to save this planet from harmful things? Yes, obviously yes. We have to save our planet Earth from the harmful things which affect our planet. Because if those things affect our planet, obviously we will also be affected. Understood? We will also be affected. Environment is everything that makes up our surroundings. Like whatever we see in our surroundings, that is our environment. It affects our ability to live on the earth, the ability to breathe, the water we use, the plants, animals around us and much more. Now whatever we see around us, plants, animals, everything, all these are affected by our activities. If we will do such activities which are going to harm our environment, obviously in return, plants, animals as well as we human beings will also be affected. So we should do all those things which do not harm our environment. In recent years, scientists have found that we are harming the environment by causing air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and other such activities which are dangerous to our environment. Like in the previous years, in the recent years, the scientists have observed that we people are harming our environment. How? Like air pollution. How is air pollution caused? Like the vehicles which are moving on the road, when the goods are being produced in the industries or factories, the smoke which is released by the factories, that is released in the air, and that causes air pollution. The smoke released by the vehicles moving on the road, they are also causing air pollution. Then next is water pollution. The garbage which is thrown in the water bodies, like in the rivers, seas, by the factories, the waste, all those are thrown in the river bodies. So that is causing water pollution. Noise pollution, like the horns blown by the vehicles. Like if we are having a function or a birthday party at home, we will play loud music to enjoy or to celebrate. So that loud music is also causing noise pollution. So all these things together are harming our environment. So we should take steps, all those steps, to save our environment. So let's do this exercise. Milestone 1. Put a cross against those activities which you think harms the environment. Number 1 is washing clothes on river banks. Obviously, this is a wrong activity. It will affect the environment, means it will pollute the river water. So put a cross here. Second is planting papaya trees in the garden after having the fruit. It won't affect. So this is right. Third is your father not turning off the car engine when caught in a traffic jam. Means it will cause air pollution because the smoke which is released by the vehicle, that smoke will be released in the air. So it will cause air pollution. So this is again cross. Number 4. Playing loud music in your birthday party even after 10 p.m. It will cause noise pollution. Again cross. Number 5. Cutting down of a mango orchard in your neighborhood for the construction of a mall. Again it is wrong. So children, till here we will do in this video. In the next video we will start from a new page, that is page number 105. Thank you.